Hi dear Libras, a very good morning to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot and this is a general reading for all the Libras, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising singles. This is a reading for singles only, okay? Keep that in mind. And yeah, this is a general reading. It might or might not resonate with you at the first place. And the second thing, the roles can be reversed. And the third thing, that the reading is from 25th of August till the 30th of September. Yeah. Yeah. So let's start Libra. Let's see what's your current energy. What was your recent past energy regarding your love life? Libra, your recent past energy regarding your love life. Let's see. Let's see, baby. Libra. The Fool. I feel like you started a journey on love. You were just going with the flow. You were not thinking about the past. You were not thinking about the future. You were just enjoying the moment with this particular person. You took the leap of faith with this particular person, whomsoever you were connected with. You were not thinking about anything, about the future, about the past, or anything like that. You were just taking the leap of faith with this particular person, and you were trying to be as cool as possible. Okay, you tried your best to be as cool as possible. Let's clarify the Fool and your recent past energy, Libra. Let's see. Let's see. I feel like you tried your best to restart this connection again and again and again. I don't know why I'm getting that intuition, but yeah, the Emperor, you could be dealing with the Aries here. So the Emperor, the Queen of Swords, and the Seven of Swords. So okay, so you took a decision that you are going to hide your true feelings from this particular person, but they came out. Okay, you were trying your best to hide something from this particular person, but the truth came out. There was certain kind of truth. There was something that was like hidden, or there was something that was secretive, but that came to light, and you tried your best to save this relationship. Again, I feel like you tried your best to save this relationship again and again and again, and you gave this person very so many chances, but you were not ready to commit. Let me tell you one thing: you were not ready to commit, or they were not ready to commit. There was someone from both of you who was not just ready to commit, who just wanted to be, just go with the flow with them, and let's see where it is going. This was the situation here. Emperor, the Queen of Swords, and the Seven of Swords. There was some kind of concealing or hiding the truth. That finally came out, or the secret came out. Something was there that came out, and I feel like you guys were not on the same pitch, and might be you guys broke up with each other. Yeah, might be. Let's see what's your current energy regarding your love life. Let's see, Libras, what's your current energy regarding your love life? Magician, you're manifesting something. Libras, you're big time manifesting something. Might be you're manifesting the person from the past back. Might be you're manifesting a brand new start with somebody new. Might be you're just manifesting something good in your life. But you are trying your best to manifest something in your life. You're using law of attraction techniques, and you're using all the techniques that will bring you whatever you desire for. Okay. So it is like manifestation. Might be you are not consciously manifesting anything right now, but you are subconsciously manifesting something in your life. Let me clarify what that something is. Let me clarify the Magician and your current energy regarding your love life. Let's see. Ace of Swords, the Ten of Swords, and the Chariot. So you are manifesting a brand new beginning in your life. You want to come out of this betrayal state of mind, betrayal stage of your life. You feel like somebody betrayed you, backstabbed you. Somebody did something really wrong with you, and you want to just come out of the situation. You want to be successful and victorious in your life, and you just want to cut out the past shit. Whatever happened in the past, you just want to move on from that, and that's why you are manifesting a brand new beginning in your life. You just want to come out of this betrayal state of mind and move on. You're very determined. You're very courageous right now. You're acting like, wow, I'm courageous, I am very determined, I will come out of this situation. I'm manifesting a brand new life for me. I'm manifesting a good life for me. I will just come out of this situation. This is your current energy regarding your love life. Okay, you are manifesting moving on. You are very determined. You are manifesting a brand new beginning in your life, leaving the past behind, cutting the past, cutting the toxic past. Actually, I must say this. Let's clarify. Let's see uh, what the past person feels for you. Your person's feelings for you, whomsoever you were connected in the past. Let's see their feelings for you. Four of Wands. Oh my God, this person still wants to marry you. This person still wants to be stable with you. They want a marriage or a long-term committed relationship with you. These are their feelings for you. Okay, they want to have a committed relationship with you. Still this person wants you in their life, and they want to get married to you, and they want to have a solid committed relationship with you. They feel like they should have that with you. Okay, they still feel like there is some kind of spark or some kind of things left between you guys. Knight of Pentacles, Four of Wands is clarified by the Knight of Pentacles, the Five of Pentacles, and the Ten of Cups. So I feel like this person is very slow to approach. Okay. Okay, so I feel like sorry I took the time because I want to read it very correctly. So I feel like this person is moving very slowly, and they are feeling like you left them, and somebody they are like literally feeling like you left them, and you left them hanging on the wall, and you betrayed them. So I feel like you're also feeling like they betrayed you. They're also feeling like they betrayed you, like you betrayed them. It is a mutual energy between you guys. But this person, from the state of betrayal, from the state of like feeling cold and detached and off for a very long time, now they want to have a happy family with you. Now they feel like you are the one for them. Okay? They are very slow to approach. They are very slow to, they are taking baby steps towards the future. And they were trying to make you understand that they love you and they have feelings for you and they want to marry you, but might be you rejected their offer, might be you did something really brutal with them, that you brutally said no or something like that. And that was like, again, after this betrayal also, after this saying no and all, still they are hoping, still they are feeling like you are their family, you make them really happy, and you should get married to them. I don't know what kind of feeling they are carrying right now. This is very complicated feeling, but yeah, they are feeling like this, Libras. You know better, you know better, you know better. Let's see what's your energy regarding new love in your life. Let's see, Libras. The world. I feel like you are feeling like although the relationship between you guys is over right now, but you are feeling like there's something left. There's some kind of unfinished business left between you and them. And I don't feel like you're ready for any kind of new relationship in your life right now. You're still stuck on the past. You're still feeling like, yeah, there's something left between you guys that is unfinished, that is unresolved, and you just want to resolve it, might be, and that's why you're not ready for new love or new connection in your life right now. Let's clarify the world. Let's clarify. Two of Pentacles, the Page of Swords, and the Knight of Swords. Okay. Yeah, of course. You are conflicted, you are very confused, you are juggling between yes or no, you are juggling between whether this connection have potential or not, whether this connection have potential or not. You're constantly juggling between yes and no, and you're spying on this person. You are watching their pictures, you're watching them on Insta, you're watching them everywhere on the face, on the social media sites, and you're just stop, you just want to rush towards them. So you're confused because you are watching them and you want to rush towards them, and you are in this confusing state of mind because you are stopping yourself. Sometimes you're stopping yourself, sometimes you just want to rush towards them, sometimes you're just stopping yourself, and then sometimes you just want to rush towards them. Rush towards them. It's like you are feeling like there's some kind of unfinished business between you guys. The relationship is still not over, at least from your side, and you're feeling like, yeah, I have to resolve this before going towards somebody new. I just want to finish this unfinished business. I just want to resolve this situation. Then only I will go forward. Okay. Let's see what's coming towards you till the end of September. Libras. Yeah, we are on Libra, right? Okay. Five of Pentacles. Five of Pentacles. I feel like this will be the final call for you, Libras. This will be the final calls for you. Final call for you. um I feel like either you or them are going to permanently move away from the other person. It's like it's like they are going to go away, and you are going to feel like they betrayed you again, they made you feel like shit again, they made you alone again. You will feel like they left you without any reason. They didn't give you a solid reason why they are leaving you. They didn't give you a solid reason what is happening between you and them, why they are leaving. You are going to feel like betrayed and backstabbed by them, cold and off and detached and wounded, everything like that. My God, Three of Swords and the like Six of Cups and the Judgment. My goodness, this is, I can't read this now, Libras. This is a completely heartbreaking energy that you are going to experience by the end of September. It will break your heart. This past person is going to break your heart. Stay away from them. I feel like, yeah, there's a chance of reconciliation as well after this breaking of hearts and after this all this thing happening. I feel like after this after this breaking heart, after, I don't know why am I not able to explain this shit, but because I got so much intense in this reading, because I felt like somebody is going to make you feel like this Five of Pentacles energy, make you feel like left out in the cold, and they don't care about you, don't give a shit about you. You will be completely heartbroken, you will be sad, you will be depressed, and you will miss this particular person from the past really very hard, very hard. And I feel like there will be a message of forgiveness from their side. You, they will like say, yeah, forgive me and all that, and just move away. There will be reconciliation. This reconciliation is not a happy reconciliation. There will be a reconnection. You guys are going to meet each other, but I don't feel like this is going to go anywhere. This will be the final call for both of you. I feel like that. Finally, you guys will like say forgive and forget and let's move on from each other, from this connection. Again, this is what is happening with you guys, Libras. I'm really sorry about that, but I don't want to say this again and again. But yeah, you have to face the truth, right? So thank you so much for connecting. I'll see you soon in the next video for September for the relationship things. Thank you so much. God bless you. Namaste. Bye bye. This is Anjali. Bye.